Hello guys, hope you guys doing so well today. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where we can learn, we can having fun with drawing together. Alright. Okay. In this today's video we going to draw a beautiful and then super cute fruit. Okay. Right, guess what? Yeah, we're going to draw an apple, right? So let's start and then jump to the paper together. You guys can start to prepare your pencil, crayon, or everything you have at home. No need to be crayon, as long as you guys can follow and then we learn together about how to draw the apple, right? Okay, so in in the beginning I will start with this color. If you guys have a green color will be great, right? So I will start with green color, this one. So right, so at the beginning try to make the curve line like this. Okay, so start from here. You can do like this. All right guys, all right, and then you flip this to the other side, so you create the same thing but in the right side like this. So right, you can follow me again. So you do something like this. All right, then okay, hope you guys can follow until this stage. I think it's pretty easy, just do like this guys, right? So okay, all right, okay guys, we have already the shape of the apple, right? Then the next one is I will give some a branch here at the top of the apple. So usually, as you can see, that apple always have this, right? So we try to copy here. So yeah, just give a curve line like this, right? It's really fun. Okay, apple, speaking about apple is really good for you guys, and I suggest you to eat apple every day. Green apple or apple doesn't matter, both is really good for our body, right? Okay, as you can see, we can have we have the shape of the apple already. Yeah, to make the apple looks more beautiful and looks more tasty, usually I add some leaf over here. So you can follow me. So you just start from here and you give a leaf like this guys. All right, then like this. Okay, right, okay guys, it's pretty nice. Then I will give some uh, green, light green. This is light green, so I just give this light green here. Right, is this your favorite fruit guys? Let me know in the comment section, right? And if this is not your favorite fruit, what's its favorite fruit? And I also want to know what is your favorite fruit guys, right? And the middle of the uh, leaves you can give this kind of line, like curve line like this, right? You go like this. All right, okay, then just give a straight line, something like this. So it will be really a good, it's emphasized that this is the leaf, right? So okay, now I'm going to give something really cute. So I will use the marker, and I want to give some eyes on the middle of the apple, right? So you just can follow me, you guys. So in here I will create this, right? This is just a black circle like this. All right, then you can give here other circle. After that you just give black here. Okay, then starting looks good. Right, after that I will give the other eyes, but the other eyes I will make it a pink, so it will be something like this. Alright guys. Okay, right, then I will give the mouth like smiley mouth. Alright. Oh, it's starting looks good already. Okay guys. Alright. Okay. Alright. I think it looks good. Right. Then after that I will give some red color to the cheeks. So here I will make it like some, a shy feeling or shy expression here to make this apple looks even more cute. Okay, right. Okay guys, right. Alright, then I think the last one I will give the apple color. So come back to this color, green. So right, so let's go give some color over here. Alright. Okay guys, so give some color over here like this. Alright, so enjoy the process guys. I like the coloring process actually, because it's really fun to color the object here. So in this case it's apple. Right, hope you guys learned something today, and also the very important thing is you guys enjoy with the drawing process. Alright, okay, alright. Oh, almost done guys. Wow, it's pretty fast, and I hope everyone also do the same here. Alright, okay guys. Alright, oh, looks pretty nice. I like the shape of the apple here. Okay guys, okay, I think that's it. This is the apple we made together today. So hope you guys learning something today with me, and then don't forget to follow our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and then don't forget to thumbs up. Also don't forget to click the bell notification for the future video guys. So thank you so much for drawing and having fun with me, and then bye bye guys. Hope you guys doing so well. Alright, bye bye.